Hello and welcome to English Nativise. Today, I want to help you build one of the most powerful habits in your English journey. It is not about learning fast. It is not about speaking perfectly. It is not about studying all night. It is about one small thing, one daily thing. Practicing English every single day. Even 5 minutes, even one word, even in your mind. That is how real progress happens. Step by step, slowly, naturally, gently. I am here to walk with you. Let's begin. Let's imagine you are busy. You have school. You have work. You have family. You have problems. You don't have 1 hour. You don't have a teacher near you. You don't even feel ready. But still, you want to improve. You want to speak clearly. You want to listen and understand. You want to feel free in English. So, what can you do? You start small. You start where you are. You start today. Not tomorrow, not next week, but today. And you do it with kindness, with peace, with love for yourself. Now, take a breath, smile a little, and repeat after me. I can learn English. I can practice every day. I don't need to be perfect. I just need to begin. Very good. Now here is the first and most important tip. Listen to English daily. Not once a week, not only in class, but every single day. Listen to a podcast. Listen to music. Listen to a short video. You can listen while brushing your teeth, while walking, while cooking, while resting. You don't need to understand everything. You don't need to take notes. You just listen. You let the sound enter your ears. You let your brain relax. You allow English to become part of your world, just like background music. And slowly your brain learns. Your ears improve. Your rhythm becomes more natural. Let's say it again. I listen to English every day. I don't worry about understanding everything. I enjoy the sound. I enjoy the process. That is enough. Now, tip number 2. Shadow what you hear. What does that mean? Shadowing means repeating what you hear, like an echo, like a shadow. You listen to one sentence, then you say it at the same speed, with the same tone, without stopping, without translating, without fear. Just speak. Even if you don't understand every word, even if you make mistakes, you speak. That is how your mouth and brain start working together. Try it with me now. I want to speak English. Repeat. I listen and repeat every day. Repeat. My English is getting better. Repeat. Excellent. That's shadowing. At first, it feels strange, but it works. If you do it 5 minutes a day, you will speak more clearly, more confidently, more naturally. Now, tip number 3. Think in English, not in your language. I know it's hard. Your mind wants to translate, but translation is slow. It creates a wall. So begin with simple thoughts. In the morning, say in your mind, I am waking up. I feel tired. I want coffee. Then later, say, I am walking. The sun is warm. I see a dog. I like this moment. You don't need to speak out loud. You just think in English, one sentence at a time. This builds real fluency, real confidence, real flow. Tip number 4. Write a short English diary. Don't write an essay, just 3 simple sentences. For example, today I went to the store. I bought fruit. I listened to an English podcast. That's it. That's enough. If you do this daily, your writing will improve. Your vocabulary will grow. Your thinking in English will become faster. Use a notebook. Use your phone. Use anything. The important thing is to write. And do it in your own words. Tip number 5. Record yourself. This is powerful. At the end of the day, open your voice recorder. Talk for 1 minute. Just one. Talk about your day, your thoughts, your feelings. Don't worry about grammar. Don't worry about mistakes. Just talk. Then listen. How do you sound? What can you improve? This helps you hear your progress. It makes you more aware and more brave. Let's repeat. I can speak. I can record. I can learn from my voice. I am improving. Good. Now tip number 6. Read aloud. Reading silently is helpful, but reading out loud is stronger. It trains your tongue, your lips, your breath, your pronunciation. Choose a short text, a story, a blog, even subtitles. Read it slowly, then again, then with feeling. Pretend you are an actor. Feel the words. That is how you build fluency, one sentence at a time. Tip number 7. Use English on your phone. Change your language settings so you see English every time you open it. Words like settings, battery, delete, update. You will learn without trying. This is passive learning, and it is very effective. Tip number 8. Use English in your small daily actions. Say good morning in English. Write your shopping list in English. Count steps in English. Say colors in English. English becomes part of life, not just study. And that is where magic happens. Let's repeat. English is part of my life. I see it. I hear it. I use it every day. Now, a final message. You don't need to do everything. Just choose one thing and do it every day. 5 minutes, one sentence, one thought. That's all. The goal is not perfection. The goal is consistency. The goal is peace and progress and joy in your own way, in your own time. You are doing something amazing. You are building a new voice, a new path, a new part of yourself. I am proud of you. Keep going, keep trying, and remember, I'll be here every step of the way. This is English Nativise.